Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are on 23H2 and Windows 11, which you can check out by doing the winver command, which will give you the version number, so you'll be able to see where you are at version 23H2 or not. And if you are at 23H2, well, beware, because Microsoft has announced today that Windows 11 24H2 has reached a new rollout phase, and that rollout phase means that it's force upgrading 23H2 users to 24H2 automatically. That means that from now on, if it shows up as an update on your system, it's going to install itself, and you've got nothing to do and nothing that you can say because you're moving on. So it's a little early. Usually they do that much later. They do it like mid-year. I'm surprised with all of the issues that they've been mentioning in the past couple of months. And since its release, actually, 24H2 has been more of a nightmare than anything else. But it seems that now they think that it's fine. So beware that you will maybe get a surprise when you start your PC at some point and see that, oh, it's upgrading to something, and it's upgrading to 24H2. So this is sad for those of you that don't want to have it. If you don't, you can, of course, always kind of, there's different ways to block a new version, but one of them, of course, is to pause updates. Say, well, I don't want updates. And the other thing you can do, and I would guess that works, is to actually put your connection on a metered connection, which will only install the standard updates. And actually, maybe it'd be time to make a video to show you how to do that, because I think on metered connection it won't show up because it's a big update to download, so it might not show up. So we're going to do a video about it today, so you know how to actually put yourself on a metered connection in the Windows updates. That might help in having you wait longer before you get 24H2 on your system. But Microsoft, starting today, January 17th, is saying that they're force upgrading everybody. That is, of course, compatible. If you don't see it, or if you have a blocker, you're not going to get it. But that is the game. Moving on to 24H2. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.